guys, welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. Today we are going to be discussing where and how you can check the ingredients for your skincare, especially if you have rosacea. Now, as I've discussed in my videos before, there are certain skincare ingredients that are really good for your rosacea and might help the appearance of your skin, and also certain ingredients that really are very bad and can cause you to flush and flare up, which in turn causes your rosacea to get worse. First of all, I would like to give credit to a Facebook group that I'm in called Rosacea Rescue. This website, one of the other members recommended to me, and honestly, I get a wealth of information from this Facebook group. They've helped me a lot with keeping my rosacea under control. I personally have a rosacea. I have the acne type rosacea, and as you can tell, I've really cleared it up a lot. Obviously, I'm wearing makeup right now, but really this group has helped me to keep my rosacea under control, and I've gotten great advice from this group. So I do very much recommend, if you're looking for some support and some form of community, to go and check this group out. Alright guys, so we're going to causedna.com, and then we're going to input the name of the product that we're looking for. In this case, I'm typing in the Aven Skin Recovery, and then you just hit the search button, and then it'll come up with a load of different options. Now you can see that I'm scrolling through, and you can see there are lots of different options, and you can see the date that the ingredients were uploaded, or the information about the ingredients was uploaded. Now usually I will scroll through and look for the most recent, and then I will pick that one because formulations do change, so you need to make sure that you get one that is up to date. And then after scrolling through, I see on the first page there is one from 2019, so I click on it, and then you'll see it's the ingredient, the function, and you will see that there are different names, like it's a solvent, it's a moisturizer, it's an emollient, different things that ingredient is used for. And you'll see in that skincare product there was no sort of fragrance. Now let's look at something else. There is also forums where you can check out what other people say about a specific product and how it's affected them. And then you can go back to product search, and now I'm just going to type in a brand like La Roche-Posay, autocorrect, La Roche-Posay. And now this brand is known for having like rosacea friendly skincare, but just as an example, I'd like to show you that all brands that say they're fragrance free or even put fragrance free on the bottle sometimes aren't 100% honest. You know, this is the beauty world. We're not always honest. So this is specifically a CC cream for rosacea, but as you'll see, it actually does have fragrance in it. Fragrance. I'm going to zoom in. You'll see it's used as a fragrance. It's perfume used as fragrance, which is really going to flare up your rosacea. So I definitely wouldn't recommend just using products that say they're for rosacea. Make sure you go and check the ingredients yourself. Now, if you went to the product search and you couldn't find specifically what you were looking for, the product just isn't on this website, you can also go to the ingredients tab. You can type in the ingredients here. I just typed in witch hazel, which is known to flare up rosacea. And you can see here it says astringent and skin conditioning. This is the bark that if you just type in another one that's not actually fragrance or perfume, it's called benzyl alcohol, which is in a lot of skincare and a lot of makeup as well. You'll see autocorrect helping me out there again. Benzyl alcohol, type in the name of the ingredient and then go to the search bar, and you'll see that there is the benzyl alcohol. Obviously I spelled that wrong, but you'll see there it's used as a preservative, a solvent, and it is also a fragrance. So you would want to avoid that ingredient. If it is present in your skincare, do not use it. Now I'll just take another example of a brand that doesn't say that they're fragrance free, but I went to search Estee Lauder Double Wear, which is a great foundation, a cult favorite, and when you go on that, you'll see that actually it does not contain any sort of fragrance. So that's a good choice of a foundation for someone who has rosacea. You'll also see it has some titanium dioxide in it, which acts as sun protection, which is great as well for people with rosacea. Although I do recommend using a sunscreen that's SPF 30 or above. Now you might not believe it, but even in things like toothpaste, companies put fragrance. Toothpaste, washing powder, obviously. So you're sleeping on a pillow, you're washing your washing with fragrance. This can make you flush. So let's look at Colgate. Colgate toothpaste. I honestly cannot believe it, but Colgate toothpaste has fragrance in it. Flavor that has fragrance in it. And all of this can trigger your rosacea. So be careful, folks. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really appreciate every single one of you. Please make sure to subscribe and like, and you can check me out on Instagram if you like. I don't really do rosacea things there, it's just kind of my life. Next week I'm going to be doing a makeup haul and a skincare haul, so make sure to watch that for all fragrance-free makeup and skincare. Thank you so much once again for watching, guys. I love you, and see you again next week.